Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make fried green peas or fried mattar. So let's get started. I've got here 1 cup of dried peas. I'm using the blue boiler peas variety, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, some oil for frying, 2 cups of water for soaking the peas, and salt to taste. Take a big dish, add dried peas and water. Cover it and let it soak for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. In the morning, drain all the water, add baking powder and toss it to coat it well. Place a clean tea towel on the bench top. Spread the peas on 1/2 of the tea towel. Fold the tea towel over to cover the peas and dab it with your palm to soak any excess water and let it dry for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, transfer the peas into a dish and it is time to fry it. Place a wok on medium heat, add oil and heat it. You will also need a perforated spoon, a strainer and a plate lined with some paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. When the oil gets hot, add half the peas, give it a mix and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes or until the bubbles have gone down and the peas are floating on the top, stirring it frequently. You can also check to see if the peas are ready by taking some peas out, letting it cool down slightly and giving it a bite to see if it is crispy. After 5 minutes, the bubbles have settled and the peas are floating on the top. Take them out, put them in a strainer, shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this until you have finished frying up all the peas. I have finished frying up all my peas. Transfer them into a big dish. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and toss it well so that the peas can get coated with the salt and it is ready to serve. My crispy fried peas or fried mattar is ready. You can store them in a sealed container and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.